Hey there, streaming fans. Welcome back, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for streaming on your devices. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install CyberFlix TV on your FireStick, step by step. Whether you're using the FireStick Lite 4K or even the Fire TV Cube, this guide will work perfectly for you. Let's dive in. So, what is CyberFlix TV and why is it worth your time? CyberFlix TV is a popular on-demand streaming app that lets you watch movies, TV shows, and even anime in HD. With its huge content library, ad-free experience, and compatibility with premium tools like Real Debris and Tracked, it's an awesome app for all your streaming needs. But remember, this is a third-party app. I highly recommend using a reliable VPN like ExpressVPN to stay secure while streaming. We'll talk more about that later in the video. Now let's talk safety and legality. CyberFlix TV is not available on the Amazon App Store because it's a third-party app. While I tested the APK file on VirusTotal, 2 security vendors flagged it. So, proceed with caution. Additionally, apps like CyberFlix might stream pirated content, which can lead to legal issues. Always use a VPN to protect your identity online and avoid any potential problems. Before we install CyberFlix TV, we need to prepare your FireStick. Here's how. Go to the FireStick home screen, then to Settings, My Fire TV, Developer Options. Enable Install Unknown Apps or Apps from Unknown Sources and toggle it on for the Downloader app. That's it. Your FireStick is now ready for side-loading third-party apps. Now for the exciting part, let's install CyberFlix TV. Open the Downloader app. Type this URL in the URL field, firesticktricks.com/cf, and click Go. Once the APK file is downloaded, click Install. Wait for the app to install, then click Done. Before you open the app, go back to Downloader and delete the APK file to free up space. It's no longer needed. And that's it. You've successfully installed CyberFlix TV on your FireStick. Now grab some popcorn and start streaming your favorite movies and shows in HD. Remember to connect to a VPN to ensure your streaming activity remains secure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome tutorials. Have questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below.